Okay, I got 10-yard fight. That's just a football game. It's gonna be bad because the football games obviously. Well, like what's football? Like you just want to play the newest game on like Xbox. There's too many controls for this ancient football game. American football, the intense game where muscle, brains, and passion collide. Oh damn! Whether playing yourself, playing with yourself, or just watching others, you can't help but get into the 10-yard fight. Offense tries to advance as far as they can toward the goal line. However, defense is ready to stop you with as many as 183 starting formations and as many as like all these plays. They're trying to get yardage and win the game too. Size up each play slyly, yet quickly, and make a charge for the goal line. The game gradually gets harder as you get better. You start playing high school, then college, then pro, then playoff, and finally Super Bowl level football. Come up with the game winning strategies and nice moves for both offense and defense. So get on the gridiron and fight, fight, fight! Uh, Cautions, this is a high precision game. It should not be stored in places that are very hot or cold. Never hit it or drop it. Do not take it apart. It's high precision, guys. Shake off tacklers. Shake them off. Okay, there's too much football stuff. I don't even know what's going on. Foosball's the devil. Okay, does this game have music or sound? High school, college, professional, playoff, super. Where is Super Bowl? Dude, this has no sound in this game? Oh, okay, there it does. Super Bowl, first half. Oh my god, there's like birds. There's a bunch of birds watching us play football. Oh my god, they're all moving at the same time. Fight. 10-yard fight. Oh, everybody move this way. Oh. Oh. Oh, you can't get me. Oh. Can I shake off the tackler? I waited too long or something. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you like stop walking? Oh, okay. You can't get me. Can you run faster? Oh, dude, did they intercept it? What the hell? Oh my god. EA? What? Oh my god, can you just go, guy? I don't even know what I'm doing. How to play? Snap the ball and start to play. It's like too many words, dude. I'm not here to read. It's cool when it's like some other game, but not football. Like, come on. Was this guy got the ball? The birds are going wild. Oh my god. Does this guy gotta walk every time? What is he doing? Is that how football works? You gotta like wait for a guy to walk? Oh, it's literally birds. I gotcha, I gotcha, I'm gonna get you. I gotcha, sucker! Why was I getting like pushed up? What the hell? Good job, guy on my team. I don't know how to control these guys. You have to press B or A or something. Oh my god, can this guy be any slower? That's the worst part of the game, is this guy that you gotta wait for. John Madden here, and we gotta wait for the guy to walk. Ah, you can't catch me. Ah, I'm too cool. Oh man, he caught me. This is no cool, man. What? What the hell? What the hell? I pushed left, didn't I? I like pushed left and threw the ball. What the hell? And he intercepted? What is this bullshit? Dude, this game is broken. I don't even know what I'm doing, that's why. There's too many things to read for football, and it's like, I'm not gonna do it. Oh, they have to have their hand up? I'm like attempting to read a little bit at a time. Uh, there's too many words for football, it's not interesting. Before the ball is snapped, you gotta wait for the guy to walk across. Oh my god, it's so bad. I'm sorry, whoever likes this. This game actually seems kind of cool because, like, I dig RBI Baseball on Nintendo. There's something about, like, the simplicity of it that makes it cool. But, this sucks. Dude, they get it. I don't even know what happened there. Oh, he walked out of bounds for some reason? I don't understand why. He did that just to give me a chance. He totally could have got a touchdown. Why didn't he just get a touchdown? He's like, this guy sucks. Give him a shot. Give him a cookie. Oh my god, this guy's gotta walk. This is bad. This game is bad, dude. Oh, how do I switch peoples? The long bomb. Yeah, this game is bombing. We can make it. We are cool. Ah, shake them off. Oh, to dodge them with a quick fake. It's all in the timing. Alright, dude, stop walking. It's stupid. Oh my god. I don't even know what's going on. Aha! I'm running! The birds are wild. Just listen to that waterfall. It's so peaceful. I don't even know what's going on. Oh, I think one dude's like A and one dude's B. That must be what it is. Aha! Sucker, I dodge you. Sucker? Aha! I got through a little bit, sort of. Uh, uh, I like almost sort of got through him. Stop walking, I'm not waiting for that. I passed it on, guy. Aha, aha, aha. Touchdown, sucker! Nice. Tied up game. You're going down. Whoever the hell I'm against, I don't know who I'm against. The other guys. Ah, I got to. Oh shit. Haha, sucker! What? I don't understand the controls at all. Oh my god, we really gotta wait for this guy every time. This is so bad. Dude, dude, he is tying me up. Get rooked! One half time up. Dude, I'm kicking again? This is bullshit. Ah, I gotcha. I gotcha. Oh, crap. Oh, I forgot I'm playing with the Steam controller. Which is a bad controller, by the way. It's not very good. The Xbox controller is way better for computer. I was thinking of getting a actual NES controller. I think I might get a SNES, SNES controller. Because then I can play SNES and NES games with it, right? Or I should just get an Xbox controller. Because it can play like everything. The Steam controller is not very good. It doesn't have a proper D-pad for one thing. It has this analog stick, and I forgot like there's no analog stick in NES at all. But I'm trying to do like diagonal tackles, which is like not a thing that happens, I think. I bet it makes it easier to shake off the tacklers though. Because it's like the game doesn't even expect me to have analog stick. Oh, damn it! Oh, I'm dead. How do I sprint? Is it like a sprint or something? Ah! I'm gonna pause it and actually read this. Move offensive player. Kick mode. Move the guy. Select defensive player A, flying tackles. Select defensive player B, flying tackles. Offensive side always moves upward. Weird. Pressing the control pad several times quickly shakes off tackle. Passing. Use throw. Use to throw side passes by pressing Left or right, impression B. Snap ball, throw the forward pass. Oh. So there's no sprinting. Okay. Well, before it starts, you gotta pick if you want to be A or B. It's kind of crappy, guys. Like, I remember, I haven't played a football game since, like, Nintendo 64. I used to play, like, that Blitz game with one of my buddies a lot. Or we used to play, like, the legit, I don't know what it was called, like, NFL something. And this stuff was fun. It was basically this, but then you can, like, switch dudes in between, and there's all sorts of different moves. There's, like, jukes and, like, all sorts of things. And you, like, pick your plays. Wait, so how do I pick who to pass to? Throws forward pass. Throw a side pass. Oh, okay. So A to go forward and B to go side. Okay. Ha! Get off of me. Stop that guy moving. He's annoying. Ah! Oh, you son of a bitch! Rigged. Ah! Oh, I am doing diagonals, right? It's just like slightly inaccurate or something. Ah! Eat shit. There's no like pass interference or anything in this game. Probably not. Ah! Eat shit. Oh my god, can you stop walking, that guy? Shit. Shit! Huh. I'm gonna lose. Oh my god, can you stop walking? Is there a button I can press to make him stop walking? Guess not. Nice. My bot teammate did good. Alright, stop walking. It's fucking annoying. Ah! Oh my god, this guy. And now we wait for the walk. Sponsored by Fritos. Dip your shit. Oh my god. I'm like way over here. This is bullshit. You can't switch guys in the middle of it. Or can you? I don't think you can. Now for the walk, sponsored by Mountain Dew. Feel the goat, Mountain Goat power coursing through your veins. Ah! Get shit on. The Walk. Sponsored by Doritos. Get jagged stuff stuck in your throat. It's cool, guys. Oh, we intercepted! Yeah! Get shit on. Alright, don't walk. It's for losers. Ah, catch it. Ah, run! Oh, you can't run! Dude, what? You suck. Pass interference. Oh, dude! I got these stupid guys on my sides that are like doing jack. Ah, you missed. You suck. The fuck are you? Okay. Stop walking. It's dumb. Aha! You missed! No walking. It's outlawed. Oh, you fuck! What a bullshit. Like, learn how to throw over people, you dumbass. Oh, now we gotta wait for the fucking walking of this bots. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, it's over. It's over, dude. It's over. Remember, Doritos, get your throat cut up by jagged bits. It's cool, guys. This should be their slogan. I just made them a new slogan. It's better. It's more realistic than whatever their slogan is. What is their slogan? It's like nacho cheesier or some bullshit. Oh, a second half? I thought it was over with. I want it to be over with. This game sucks. I'm gonna play out this whole game, I guess. I might get really annoyed at the walking of the bot. If the bot walking really annoys me, I'll just like shut it down. Alright, don't walk. Oh, they gypped me! Go to the locker room. Someone wants to see you there. Okay. Crappy old football game sucks.